before this program, I attended college for a year. You know, I was doing fine. I was doing my schoolwork and everything. It's just I didn't have no purpose. I was going to school and I didn't have a sense of purpose.
I got this opportunity in community work and it's good for me. Before I can't do this like nails, hammer, this handwork, but now it's a little bit I know. Yeah, it's very nice for me.
Trades has always been on my mind ever since, you know, I got to high school. I just didn't know where to start. And I was doing some research online and Community Works came across my screen. So I quickly applied, and from that day on that I applied, it was probably one of the best decisions I ever made.
I get to work with them, the hands-on part. And that's where the magic comes in. That's where we get to see what they really have as far as showing up on time, the work ethics, getting involved. And now it's if they want to continue on, it's the big leap of faith into a new trade, into a new career.
Before, I didn't know where to start, I didn't know where to look. And Community Works is kind of like organized everything for me, you know, and along with everybody else that's here. And it kind of gave us more security onto a career path, whether it be electrician, carpenter, iron worker, there's security. And with security, it's a bright future for not just me, but everybody in the program.